Hello everybody, jimmyispromo here, back again with another awesome video. And in today's video, I just wanted to give a huge thank you to you guys. I really don't know a better way of starting off this video other than stating thank you for anybody who has liked a video, watched a video, and especially subscribed, because today I will be opening up a creator award from YouTube, and it's for reaching the 100,000 subscriber milestone. So as of right now, I'm actually sitting at 120,000 subscribers. I believe I hit this mark of 100,000 subs on April 12th of 2018. Today is July 13th. So I have this thing sitting in front of me here, picked it up. I shared it across all my social media sites. But seriously, guys, thank you so much for subscribing and watching these videos. I really hope that I've helped you in some sort of way learn any type of a tip or trick or just how to use a Samsung product. So I don't really know exactly how to make this video other than just opening this thing up. So here we go. We're going to open up this little box here. And I know that this version of the play button is a little different. This is the new version of this year. I think they started doing this just a couple months ago. It says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We're honored to take place in recognizing you for your achievement. This right here, I'm not going to read the whole thing. It just states out here in the very top, you've done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. So numbers are actually a pretty big deal with this, and the hardest number to get is actually the subscriber. A thumbs up is easy, a thumbs down is easy, a comment is easy. It's really the subscriber that actually is the hardest one to get. And here's the award. This is what it looks like. Let's see if we could take this out of here. Wow, this is actually definitely different than any of the other ones from before. So this right here is presented to jimmyispromo for passing 100,000 subscribers. So this is actually pretty cool. And this is actually a cutout right here. So this is actually lifted away from the play button, if you guys can see that there. So this is actually what the newest one will look like. So I do want to thank Google and YouTube for sending off this award. It's super exciting that there's a social media platform out there that actually awards people for their hard work. A lot of time, hours, and days gets put into actually creating a lot of these videos. So again, thank you everybody here for subscribing, watching, and commenting, liking, everything else. Outside of that, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys give this thing a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit on subscribe if you have not subscribed already. And let's move over to that golden play button and try to get to that 1,000,000 subscribers. And I'll see you guys later.